The new 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc marks a massive design evolution from its predecessor. Moving away from the older, boxier lines, it embraces a curvier, more expressive language that draws heavily from Volkswagen's ideal electric vehicle lineup and the larger Tiguan. When optioned in its signature canary yellow metallic, the T-Roc shifts from a sensible daily crossover to one of the most eye-catching high-contrast vehicles on the road. The nose is the most dramatic part of the design. It balances a sporty vibe with a futuristic EV-like aesthetic. A large, aggressive lower grille sits below the bumper line. On the R-line trim, this section features a prominent gloss black honeycomb mesh layout. The slim LED headlights are linked across the nose by a sharp, white illuminated light strip. Depending on the trim, this strip seamlessly connects to an illuminated white Volkswagen badge, creating a distinct nighttime road presence. The 2026 model has grown, stretching an extra 122 mm in total length. This extra length gives it a subjectively lower, sleeker, and more. Canary yellow is most frequently paired with a contrasting sole, black roof, and black mirror housings. This two-tone execution breaks up the vibrant yellow paint, pulling focus to the car's sweeping roofline. To fill out the larger proportions, wheel sizes have been upgraded up to 20 inches. The sportier R-line trims carry diamond-turned alloys flanked by rugged dark wheel arch cladding. The rear echoes the high-tech premium evolution seen at the front. The slim brake lights are integrated into a prominent dark tinted continuously LED crossbar stretching fully across the tailgate. Embedded right in the center of the rear light strip is red backlit Volkswagen emblem perfectly matching the tail lamps. The rear glass features a sharp, aggressive rake that mimics a crossover coupe, leading down to a clean tailgate stamped with center T-Roc lettering. The lower bumper features integrated dark diffusers to hide the exhaust plumbing neatly out of sight. For 2026, the European T-Roc completely electrifies its lineup. Traditional pure combustion setups are gone, replaced entirely by highly efficient hybrid systems coupled exclusively to smooth automatic transmissions. If you like this video, then please like and do subscribe.